In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new website on Weebly. Whether you're starting a personal blog, launching a new business, or just curious about website creation, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process seamlessly in just 5 minutes. First, let's start by visiting the website for Square's free appointment scheduling software and booking app. This is important because Weebly is part of the Square family, which makes the integration smooth and hassle-free. Now open your preferred web browser and go to Square's website. Once you're there, you'll want to find the option to sign in. Click on Sign In to proceed. At this point, if you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. If you already have a Square account, simply log in with your credentials. This will give you access to your Square dashboard, which is your control center for managing different aspects of your business, including your new website. Now with access to your dashboard, your next step is to navigate to the Weebly section. For that, you'll need to click on Go to Square Dashboard. This page will present you with several options, but keep your focus on Weebly to move forward with your website creation. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to head over to the Weebly Overview section. This part of the process is crucial because it takes you directly into the Weebly environment where all the magic happens. Here, you'll see various settings and tools that you'll use to build and manage your new site. Next up, we want to zero in on the website creation. You'll see a website tab or button. Click on that. This will direct you to the page where you can start setting up your website from scratch. Using Weebly's intuitive drag and drop interface, you can choose from various templates, add different elements like text, images, and videos, and customize your site to match your personal or professional brand. Remember, Weebly offers a variety of flexible templates that you can use as a starting point. Take your time to explore these templates to find the one that best suits your idea of what your website should look like. You can always tweak the elements later on. Now you're on your way to having a fully functioning website. With the fundamental steps out of the way, setting your website structure and design, what remains is adding your own unique content and information to truly make it yours. That's all it takes to create a new website on Weebly in no time. Happy website building, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more how-to videos just like this one.